Smartphone brand Honor has released its latest flagship device, the Honor 70. The new smartphone has integrated light and shadow into its design language, bringing users a thin, sleek and stylish smartphone that reflects the ever-changing fashion and design trends of today's younger generation. The Honor 70 pays homage to the Rolleiflex's classic twin-lens reflex camera invented in the 1920s. The evolved dual-ring design on the back of the device features an axisymmetric camera layout comprising two jewel-like circles, with the top circle featuring a 2-megapixel depth camera and a 54-megapixel Sony IMX800 Super Sensing main camera, and the bottom ring consisting of a 50-megapixel ultra-wide and macro main camera and a flashlight. Equipped with 1.51mm ultra-slim bezels on both left and right frames, the Honor 70 features a front-rear symmetrical dual-curve design for a comfortable and balanced grip. Thin, sleek and stylish, the Honor 70 boasts a thickness of just 7.91mm. The ideal addition to the wardrobe of any style seeker, the Honor 70 is available in crystal silver and midnight black.